name is Patricia and welcome back to my channel. Today I have a Shop Miss A haul. I ordered this a while back. I have scissors. This is going to be my last thing I buy for a while. And the great thing about Shop Miss A is they're not expensive. I only spent $12. So this only has $12 worth of stuff in it. It's not like anything huge. But let me tell you, I love how they wrap. I love how they protect their items. Okay, I don't know why that was on there. Okay, I got 10 items and my order came to $12. So a couple of the items I do think were over $1, you know. One thing I got is just I got some new clippers. I needed some, so that's not exciting. I got this AOA Studio silicone heat resistant mat. I got this for my curling iron, that I can set my curling iron on it when I'm doing my hair, because I do my hair curl it sitting right here. So I'll keep that box. Okay, let's see. There we go. So it's just a little mat. This will also be great to use with my glue gun. That's really nice. It's laying flat. It's just like a little silicone mat. I can set my curling iron on it and not worry about it hurting anything. And same with my glue gun. So that's why this was purchased. I got some more hair things. I like these coil. I got one in my hair right now. Your hair doesn't get tangled in it. So that's why I like that. So, I mean, $1. I grabbed those. Now, the rest is like makeup beauty. There's not a whole lot. First, I got some sheet masks because I do really like their sheet masks. I do enjoy using those. Get that out of the way. So I picked up 4. So I got Spascriptions Glowing Hydrogel Face Mask. This has a lot of goo in it. Is this a sheet mask? It's one facial treatment. I feel the thing in there. But man, there's a lot of liquid in that. It's going to be interesting. There's a lot of liquid in that. I can feel it. Next, this one, Celavi. I got the seaweed mask. I've used these before. I've never used that one before. But I have used these before. So, there's that one. I've used these before. I like these. This is the Grace Day Multivitamin Face Mask. I got the grapefruit one. And then Kala Begin Anew. I've used this brand before, but I don't think I've used this sheet mask before. Essence face mask. There we go. So 4 sheet masks. I'm looking forward to that. I did order a setting spray. I ordered this setting spray to use when I dampen my sponge. Currently I'm using Beauty Creations Coconut Mango Setting Spray. I don't even know where I got this. I don't think I purchased this. I still got enough in there, but since I was making this order, I thought I'll go ahead and get another one. This I'm going to set aside. I'm going to set it with my stuff up here. That's going to be used not to set my makeup. I'm going to use it to dampen my sponges when I do my makeup. Now, this is the main reason I ordered a foundation. Because I've heard good things about their foundation. Ordered a light color. I can't remember what number. L2. This one is L2. Let me see if I can get the plastic off of it. Yeah, it's got L2 on the bottom. Good. Looking at it, I hope it's light enough. I wanted a light foundation. I didn't want one to match my skin. I wanted a light one to it's got a little top on it. I wanted a light one to mix with my dark foundations. I just wanted to, see, I think that's my color. Well, I don't know. It's light. I actually wanted something a little lighter, though. That's actually my color. I actually wanted something lighter. Well, L2 apparently is my color. I think they were out of a lighter one than that. So I got the lightest they had. And that is that. That's my color. Exactly. Look, exactly. That's my color. Oh well. Oh, that's what happens when you can't see them in person. But that's okay. I mean, it looks really nice on my hand. I might ought to give it a shot. Try it out. This is the Dewy blend. Maybe it's a good foundation. I mean, this was $1.88, I believe. It looks good. Also, while I was in there, I am so close to using up my MAC paint pots that I use for, I use those for my primer, my eyeshadow primer. So I saw these little concealer pots, and I thought these might work. If they don't, they're only $1, right? So I did get a couple of these, if I can get the plastic off. So this one is porcelain. That's what it looks like. Just stick my finger in there. Not bad. I'll put it over here. That's not bad. These are concealers. That would, I think, would work really good as a eyeshadow primer. A lot of people just use their concealer as an eyeshadow primer. Get this one off. And this one is Buff. I might even try them as concealer. That's not bad. These were $1. That's not bad at all. Huh. Very pleasantly surprised. That's everything. That's, like I said, I just did a really small order. Whew. When I get a chance, I might try. I would like a lighter shade than that. But that, look at that. That's my skin. That's my skin right there. And these feel nice. I'm shocked. Puppy, quit. I apologize for Puppy. He sounds like, I don't know what he's doing back there. It's very loud. Look how, that is nice. I am pleasantly surprised and very happy with that. So, anyway, guys, I really like this. So, that's everything I got from Shop Miss A. I am not disappointed. Everything looks great. I love Shop Miss A. I hopefully can do another order later on. I'm not going to order right now, but later on, I would like to find a lighter shade to mix with my foundation so I can use all my foundations up. But I'm very pleased. So guys, if you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up. That helps me out a lot. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below. Have you heard? I heard this was a TikTok sensation. I don't have TikTok. I can barely do YouTube, Instagram. I'm not adding TikTok or any other kind of apps. I sound like an old lady. I'm not doing any of that other stuff. So I don't know if it's a TikTok sensation, but heard it was. But it's very nice. I do like how that feels. I might just use it on my face and just see how it works on its own. So anyway, guys, thanks for watching, spending some time with me, and I'll see y'all next time.